Needless to say, our lungs play a vital role in helping our body function well. However, consequently, our lungs to have to suck in not just air but some harmful elements like air pollutions and smoking along with it. These pollutions happen to increase the risk of respiratory health problems like asthma, bronchitis, cystic fibrosis, and pneumonia, among others. A good way to keep your lungs healthy is by engaging in regular exercise and eating a healthy diet. A healthy diet helps you go a long way and keeps you off any ailment. In India, with the increase in air pollution and population that smokes, respiratory illness are on all-time high. According to the World Health Organization, 235 million people suffer from asthma, which is an underdiagnosed and undertreated condition. So, if you wish to boost your lung health, make sure you incorporate some healthy foods that will help keep your lungs active and working. Here are 10 foods that can help you breathe better. Let us see. First one, apples. Researchers have linked good lung functions with high intakes of vitamin C, E, and beta carotene, all of which are present in apples. Apples come packed with antioxidants that help keep your lungs healthy. Second one, walnuts. Walnuts are a great source of omega 3 fatty acids. Eating a handful of them can help fight asthma and other respiratory conditions. Omega 3 fatty acids are thought to be anti inflammatory nutrients with protective effects in inflammatory ailments. Third one, berries. Acai and blueberry are two of the most effective berries that help keep your lungs healthy. They are rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, which help fight cell damaging free radicals. Fourth one, broccoli. Broccoli is high in vitamin C content, carotenoids, folate, and phytochemicals that fighting damage elements in the lungs. Broccoli is said to have an active constituent called L-sulforaphane, which tricks the cell to switch on the anti-inflammatory genes that further avoids respiratory conditions. Fifth one, cayenne pepper. The capsaicin in cayenne pepper helps stimulate secretions and protects mucous membranes from the upper and lower respiratory tract. It is best to drink cayenne pepper tea. That is also a great source of beta carotene, which has a great effects on reducing the many symptoms of asthma. Sixth one, ginger. Ginger is not only anti-inflammatory but also helps detoxifying and promotes the elimination of pollution from the lungs. Ginger helps in relieving congestion, unclogging air passage, and improving circulation to the lungs, further boosting lung health. Seventh one, flax seeds. According to a study published in the journal BMC Cancer, a diet of flax seeds given to mice not only protects lungs tissues before exposure to radiation but can also significantly reduce the damage after exposure occurs. Eighth one, garlic. Garlic comprises flavonoids that stimulate the production of glutathione, which helps enhance the elimination of toxins and carcinogens, further helping your lungs to function better. Ninth one, water. Water is the best way to detoxify your body process. Moreover, dry lungs are prone to irritation and increased inflammation. Therefore, you must drink 6 to 8 glasses of water to keep yourself well hydrated. Then last one, turmeric. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties thanks to the curcumin compound present in it. This compound helps relieve inflammations of the airways and tightness of the chest associated with asthma. Make sure you are adding these foods to your diet every day to ensure healthy and happy lungs. Thank you.